Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at different concepts. Right now, let us concentrate on concepts which are usually taught in class 12. But these are not only useful for class 12 students, these are also useful for people who want to do a remedial course or who want to revise. So the students can be in bachelor's of science or master's of science, and still if they want to revise they can revisit this. So let us begin with the very fundamental concept of a function. Before that, we need to talk about a relation. So what is a relation? A relation is a connection between sets, and it is often represented as a set of ordered pairs where each pair is connecting an element from one set to an element from another. Now suppose there are two sets P which has three elements 1, 2, 3, and set Q which has three elements A, B, C. Then if you consider the set 1A, 1B, 2C, now this is a relation. So here, although the input 1 has two possible outputs A and B, still it is a relation. But is this a function? No, it is not a function, because a function is a specific type of relation where each input value, obviously from the domain, is going to correspond to exactly one output value in the range. So to give an example of a function, if you consider the set 1b, 2a, 3c, this is a function because each of the inputs 1, 2, 3 have a unique output b, a, c respectively. Now to explain it into words again, relations can have multiple output values for a single input, whereas functions must have a unique output for each input. So a relation is a general connection between sets, but a function is a specific type of relation that is going to follow a rule ensuring each input has only one output. And obviously relations are usually denoted by R, while functions are usually denoted by F. So what you need to understand here is that all functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. Functions have constraints. They have a stricter rule that each input must map to exactly one output. Functions are a special kind of relations. So if you visualize a huge set of called relations, then functions is going to be a subset of that. And just to remind you about domain and range, the collection of all the first values in the ordered pair is going to be domain, and collection of the second values in the ordered pair is going to be range. So usually domain is denoted as X and range is denoted as Y. Thank you.